Hello, my name is Josh Perry. I'm the president of the Fisheries and Wildlife Association at Northern Michigan University. The goal of the Fisheries and Wildlife Association is to provide additional education during our weekly meetings, presentations, and discussions led by professionals in the fisheries and wildlife fields. Workshops that include deer aging and waterfowl identification, and finally, CV, resume, and cover letter development. In the fall semester, we have an electrofishing trip that allows club members to get hands-on experience in the field identifying local fish, taking measurements, and collecting data. In addition to electrofishing, the club also participates in small mammal trapping, where you have the opportunity to learn about live trapping, specimen collection, and specimen preparation. Both of these events are weekend-long camping excursions. You do not need to be a fisheries and wildlife major to be a club member. Anyone is welcome to join. Like us on Facebook at NMU Fisheries and Wildlife Association. We look forward to seeing you in our fall semester.